Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance USDT address. First, securely log into your Binance account. Once logged in, locate and click on the Wallet option, usually found in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Fiat and Spot to access your main asset overview. This is your starting point for managing all your cryptocurrencies. Now that you are in your Fiat and Spot wallet, you need to find USDT. You can use the search bar, typically located at the top of your asset list, and type USDT. Once Tether is displayed, look for the Deposit button next to it. Click this button to proceed to the Deposit page, where you will find the necessary details. This step is crucial, selecting the correct network. Binance supports several networks for USDT, such as ERC20 for Ethereum, TRC20 for Tron, and BP20 for Binance Smart Chain. It is absolutely vital that the network you choose here matches the network from which you are sending your USDT. A mismatch could result in permanent loss of funds. After selecting your network, your unique USDT deposit address will appear. Carefully copy this address. It is a long string of characters. For certain networks, like BEP2, a memo or tag is also required. If a memo is provided, you must copy and include it with your transaction. Always double-check both the address and memo before confirming any transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.